Hello, Year 2. I am just going to share with you what we are learning today. You might have guessed it is the homophone 2. We are looking at all the different ways we can write and all the different meanings of the word to. So I have 2 hands. I'm just going to the shop. I'm going to read my book. I have 2 books, and maybe I'm too cold. Okay, we're going to focus on just 2 of those words today. So I'll share my screen with you and we will have a look. Okay, here are our homophones for today. To and to. Could you pause the video and use the words to and to as I have them written? But can you use them in a sentence? Pause the video, have a go, and turn it back on when you're ready. Okay, so let's move on then. Let's look more closely at the word to, spelt T-W-O. When 2 siblings are born at the same time, we call them twins. When we do something 2 times, we say twice. We also use the numbers 12 and 20, which have a digit 2 in them. So 2 is the number 2, and these things I've written on the board are little things I use to help me remember which spelling I need. Like I said, 2 twins has that t, those phonemes t, w, at the beginning, reminding me that at the beginning of the number 2, I have those 2 letters, TW. When we do something 2 times, we say twice. Tw. So again, I've got the TW at the beginning of twice. I have the TW at the beginning of 12 and 20. So I know that when I write the word to, I need TW. It's very confusing because the W is silent. But if we remember these little rules, it can help us with our spelling. Now let's move on to the word to, spelled T-O. We use this word in sentences like I am going to the shops or my mum likes to read books. The word to with just T-O is a preposition and it shows us that we are going to a place, or it shows us that we are going to do something. For example, I'm going to the shops. It shows me that I am moving, I am going to somewhere. And if I'm using it in my bottom sentence, my mum likes to read books, then she is going to read the books. She is on her way to read books. She might not be going there right at the moment as we say the sentence, but we know she in the future she will read books. She will go to that place, do that thing. So the word to is a preposition. It tells us a place we are going or a thing we are going to do. All right then. Now it's game time today. On some scrap paper, or if you've got chalk, you could write it outside if you have somewhere to write, like a driveway or a garden with a patio. We would like you to make 2 signs. On the first sign or on the first wall that you're writing on with chalk, you need to write TWO, our number 2. And on another sign, you need to write 2 with TO, our preposition. Then you can put them somewhere on opposite sides of your garden or opposite sides of your front room, anywhere that you are learning today. And you need to ask someone to read these sentences out to you so that you can run around to the correct spelling. Here are the sentences, and if you would like to pause the video and write these sentences down, for your mum and dad, then they might like to take them outside with you and shout them out while you go running. I have 2 sisters. I am going to the park. Go to the hall. I am looking forward to going on holiday. I bought 2 apples today. So get your mum or dad or granny or granddad or brother or sister, whoever you are learning with today, to see if they can check your spellings. Did you run to the right places? Then it's time to swap around and you need to make up some sentences with the word to or two in them and challenge someone else to run to the right place. Now, as a final note, I'd like you to keep those signs, or if possible, keep your chalk somewhere, because we're going to be adding to this tomorrow. Okay, good luck with your spelling and have fun. I'll see you soon, year 2.